Hello friends, I am Astro Pankaj Seth. Today I am come with the topic Sun and Rahu conjunction. So, Sun and Rahu both are enemy to each other. Rahu is the only planet who is the capable to eclipse the Sun. So Sun and Rahu combination is not considered so much good because Sun shadow will be down due to the Rahu shadow, or we can say that the sunlight can be suppressed due to the Rahu. So Sun will be lose his natural significance due to the Rahu. So the most malefic conjunctions of the Sun is Sun and Rahu conjunction. This is known as the Grahan Yoga या Grahan Dosa. This is also known as the Pitru Dosa. So it, as per as the names, it has so much bad effect for the natives. Sun is our ego and Rahu is a false or false things. So his ego will be the false, means he will be full with the false ego. He will be the short tempered. He will be do any things due to the his ego, and due to his ego he will be lost on self or on self goal. Native may be short tempered. Actually Sun is the fiery planets and Rahu is the airy planets. So fire getting the air, so it can be blast like it can be spread everywhere. So the fire elements of our body will be suppressed everywhere. So it can cause for the overeating, it can cause for the fever or fever related disease. Native may be suffering from the typhoid or such type of fevers. Rahu is the virus. So Sun is our health. So native's health will be getting affected due to the viral infection or due to the virus. So we can say that native may be suffering from the disease which is occurred due to the virus. Sun is our brain, our personality, and due to the Rahu, native personality will be shaded in the Rahu grip. So we can say that native may be big, native may be crooked, especially from his internal heart. He will be so of that he is a very kind or he will be a very noble person, but internally he is very crooked or big. Sun is the king, Rahu is the politics. So Sun and Rahu combination making the native political minded. He will be do politics everywhere, and sometimes due to his own politics he will be lost on self, just like a self goal. Native may be cheater, he may be expert in doing the frauds or such type of things. But if this combination is not so much good, then native will be also cheated by the others. But especially native may be cheater himself, and if the dasa is not supported for the natives, then others will be cheat him, means cheater will be cheated by others. Sun is the father. So Sun and Rahu conjunction is indicating that some sort of issues with the father. Native may have misunderstanding or thought differences with his father. natives father will be live separate from the natives, means native and his father live separately. His father may has health related issues. His father's life is also full with a struggle and hardship due to the Rahu. Sun is also considered the Karak of son or children as per as the Nadi astrology. So if the Sun and Rahu conjuncted in the charts, so some sort of issues regarding the childbirth is possible. Actually, this is the Karak of the Pitru dosh. So native may be suffering from the miscarriage or such type of things. There may be issues in the childbirth such as unnecessary delay. Native may be getting child by the surgery. His kids may also some sort of health related issues. As per as the remedy purpose for the Sun and Rahu conjunction, once will go for the Pitri Shanti. Rahu is considered as a father in our Nadi astrology. So, if Rahu is associated with the Sun, then his grandfather will be a famous and powerful person. He has a very good reputation. But due to some unnecessary circumstances, his father, means native's father, is not able to enjoy his father prosperity or happiness. Means Dadaji has a very good reputation, but his father is not capable to grab his father, means grandfather, name and fame. Sun and Rahu conjunction is indicating native may be selfish from the brain. Apart from this, Sun is our internal self-confidence. So, due to the Rahu, native's internal self-confidence may be big, but he doesn't show that his internal confidence level is big. He will be always show that he is a very confident, he is very brave, and if you challenge anybody challenge him, he can also capable to show his braveness, but he is internally big by the confidence level. Means he will be when he will be alone, he is thinking that he is not capable, he has internal fear, but when that person is in the crowd, then he will be so up that he is a very brave, he can do anything. Apart from you can challenge for any daring act, he can do this, but he will be internally facing so much fear. Sun is our boss, and due to the Rahu, native may have some sort of issues with his boss. We can say it like that, native may have some sort of issues at their workplace due to the misunderstanding or hypocrisy with his boss. So native may be getting some sort of issues regarding the promotions. Apart from this, Sun is the government. So native may have some sort of issues regarding the governments. He may be getting the legal notice or such type of notice to pay the tax or such type of things due to the governments. Hope you like my video, and if you like this, then please subscribe my channel so you can get latest video regarding the astrology. Thank you, and thank you for watching my channels. Have a nice day.